upon a big greens there, guys. In a tree, I want to climb right about now. Alright, guys, so I want to climb coconut tree, pick some coconut right, right? But it's very tall, very tall. So I do, I climb the almond tree here, climb it, I'm going to right some right here, so, and then I'll be able to pick. Use a stick and pick, but in a tree dark, you know. I'm not a good camera. Anyway, it's not tree dark, so then I can see the coconut them. So when me go up there, so then we can show no I go on. Good guys. See me right here, so yeah. He may give me a warm time. I know the camera now do justice right about now. Him really big. And then a warm time. I'm not sure if I can flick him, kill him, or finger way up the tree and gone about in business. But in the right where I want go. And greens are there. Then we jump on you. Then we jump on you and cut you up or bite you up. You see me? I'm gonna like them. So, as long as I see him where I want go, I now climb tree. So guys, they're really prime. And I see why more come down. Maybe come and look at my tree and you know, the insect can come out and all that. Yeah. But the one is small, the one is cool. The one is cool. And the big one. Every look at you in Jamaica for the inside greens dad. They now with a climb a tree and keep them in a tree and see him. Whatever they want in a tree, whatever fruit, I can stay until next time they now with a climb a tree again. You see me? They when they broke their hand and their foot and you know just come out of the tree. So sometimes if me know a tree with like other person and me know them afraid like green lizard, what me do, I say, come in here man, I don't pick. Because I can't tell them, especially if the greens are near to them. Because I don't tell them when they panic and drop out. But anyways, as you see in the title, I don't know what I'm doing over there. Right? It's on drops. But, more climb a tree. See coconut tree here? You see there? Yeah. See a man tree here? Yeah. So I climb a tree, pick two dry coconut, get it cut up, make some drops and I bring it along. I bring you along on the journey with me. A long time, I make drops. Long time now. So I want to do for me guys. Share the video. Help me grow. Subscribe for new. I'm there already. Take somebody phone in the house and subscribe again. If I tell you to live in your household, 5, 6, any more live in your household, just take your person's phone and subscribe and help me. My subscribers can go up, help me grow and all that. Leave a comment down below. Yeah man. And I'm not sure looking because I don't want income too close to me. Because I'm going to fart my tree. That's about I got almost 2 stories in my tree. You see me? Yeah. Because I don't want to jump on me and go drop out. You see me? People, before, I drop them back to back. So when I get video back to back, I burn up YouTube. I make YouTube system full up of videos from me. So we burn up YouTube guys. Yeah man. I think I make that with my new slang. We are burn up YouTube. So but the hook and the crook, I must climb a tree. I must go up there. So I check him up on one time. We don't pick. Yeah, I'm soon reach you guys. I'm show you. Show me I go. Right here, so. You see? Me the right here, so. Yeah. See the coconut there. Then gone. The greens are then gone. Then gone on the other side. As long as I big one really problem with people. Big one problem because in prime and in a run. A while ago, I go up in the tree and I see close to me. Right? I look for me and now run like I want to see your boy. They're flicking for me for. You take me further, you take me and run. You see me? So, I come back down and stole him. So, when you know when gone, I'm soon come back. Alright guys, so one of them here are real native dry coconut. You see me? So our next one here. Some other one here. Some other one here. So our next one here. Yeah man, them here are real native dry coconut. You see me? When I use them here, one of them here in the rice and peas, all the pot you want to eat, they're nice. Yeah man. Original native dry coconut. So, what I do now guys, I walk and look up see me say more. We miss. You see me? So what I do now, I check them out. What about now? And I give my sister them to cut up. You see me? Because me climb a tree, me check them out, I pick them out of the shell, and give them pick it, cut it up fine, and then me make it, you see me? So it's a team effort. I'm going to show you one time them cut it up because them can afraid of the camera. You see me? Everybody want to come on camera. You see me? This one over here, so magic. Yeah man, so this one here. Nobody want to come on camera, so now get somebody with the camera for me, and let me show one piece out of me, check them out. Yeah man, this was a good exercise because the tree here, why mean bad. Come like a star apple tree or tambourine, because you don't know them there 2 means fruit. Them in a drop, they stamp on the tree and rotten. When they drop in a good. The tree here now, it's hard to pick, they don't really drop. You see me? It's like come go up there now and kind of pick some and shake up a bunch of them. Yeah man, they will drop. But them in the people mean star apple tree, them man. But you worth it, you see me? Even with them, I joke it, it'll come towards me. I have to use the hand here, because I stick it in the hand here and push it off. It come like in the wrist. Pop out, broke out, you see me? Because she's heavy and it's coming from far. I have to push away like that because if you push away, it'll let me and that them hotter. So I push it there. So soon come back there, soon check him back with you. One time here, chat them here. So my yard you know kind of cut a finger. They're not really well dried though. Yeah? Yeah. Alright guys, so this is how I'm going to use and make the drops. You see me? So 2, 4, 6. 6 coconut. Yeah. This is the right thing. Make it. Yeah, this is drying up, but I just say go still. If we wait until them dry, well dry, that's about February or so. You see me? And if we buy dry coconut, all this about 400 for this. 400 Jamaican dollar. And it makes sense. So, I'm gonna spend on chicken. Let's buy all them here. That's way too much money. Too much money, guys. Yeah, and I'm showing something. This shoot, the banana tree here shoot. You can zoom up. Yes, yeah? Yeah. Some have banana. Yeah. And the tree here soon show too. You see me? I'm showing the plant now. Them pine tree here, some pine tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna move them though, because they're not gonna sunlight. Why they not bear? You see me? And them a big tree can bear. So I don't know why. So I'm gonna move them soon too. The tree here, the pepper tree here, it's about 3 times I get pepper for it and look how big. I saw them blossom, I said then drop off back. Maybe because see enough tree there over it. Why not keep on none? Right, I don't know if you do it. If you're not bear, I cut it down. No make sense. Put something else nice space. Yeah. And a planting tree here, so show too. See, big enough. See, down here show, but not so big though. See, this so fit. Fit enough we can not fit, but not fit enough we can ripe. That's too long for ripe. It's when you see them here start get black, you know, so it's so fit. I fit. Anytime I get black, it fit. You see? Yeah. The tree kind of small, so you don't know it's gonna be in a big plant. So right now this can make a porridge, but I want to see if it ripe. Yeah, so we have enough little tree plant. See? It's planting tree. Yeah. Yeah, planting tree again. Yeah, 2 banana tree. So that's how we do it, man. We plant little stuff, you know. So we now have to buy enough things. Yeah. So I tell the Jamaican say, yo, plant little something, man. Cause I don't know. Plant something. Yeah, cause even see 2 jelly tree once a man pick off, and we plant them there. The breadfruit tree for me pick off though. Me plant that same way. So plant something, man. If maybe you won't get to inherit it, but your pitney and your grandpitney we inherit it. Alright guys, so I do coconut this now. So I already know. I just wash out the mirror. I make them go up cut up it. You see me? That one already dry enough. This I the right one, but the minutes are dry, but I still go still. Alright guys, the fire catch now. So my chew on the jacks, right? A 4:12 now after 4. So more if I know because I know I not come down. You see when I say when I catch me, but I know time no later. You see me because later I started and the later I finish. So more started from now. Yeah man. I don't take my sister they get it cut out everything. So anything she do, I eat me I use. You see me? So chew on here now and get the process going. So soon come back. I'll show you. Alright guys, so this is it. You don't know how the ginger make it look so brown. Like brown up there, yeah, I ginger because as I say in a sorry video, I like to blend the ginger. I can grate it whichever way you want to do it. Come on, get smaller pieces so you can get the maximum flavor. If I put it in also and beat it up, to me, I say to myself, flavor is still in a ginger, same way. You see me? So I just blend it fine. So you eat everything and get a nice flavor, same way. You see me? Yeah, I don't know outdoor style, the coal fire and all that. You see me? Yeah, I'm good. But I can tree. I can say, boy, see me here. Enough aki open on the tree. You see me? See aki there. Aki like crazy. Yeah man. Okay. I keep on low little because big. Okay. Aki. Yeah man. Right now guys, I have a video for show tomorrow with the aki. Different thing. So when you see the video, when the man are blown, you see me? Yeah. So to that Monday, the video shoot tomorrow. Cause I can say, yo, what can I do with aki? Whether I make punch on them something like that. What can I do? Then it click in my mind. But I'm not telling you so when you can stick with that. Something different. I never get nobody do this. So you can stay tuned because I can't make aki them there and spoil. I have to make a video for showing you how I go on, you see me? People, they call my father mad scientist or mad genius, yeah, nickname that because when it come to like machine and them thing there, like Bawish machine, teach it machine, flame machine, any of them thing there, him bad. You see me, bad. This one show me say, yo, more make this, and he can deliver. Bad, 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 bad. So me now, at the mad genius or mad scientist, not cooking. You see me, yeah. So much thing me do, and people say, yo, Javan, you soon poison yourself. How come with that? That can't do. And so with him, in some impossible things. So I show the people them who say I'm soon poison myself, who doubt me, so you can do anything. Yeah. So stay tuned, people. You know, showing back until me actually sugar because I don't know. Also don't know a boil. Boil. The coconut I cook now, so when I don't cook, I'm actually sugar. I'm link on the back and show you how I go on. You see me, so stay tuned, guys. Peace and love. We are burn up YouTube. We are over at YouTube. Be a video back to back. Some soon come. So we're going, guys. It a boil up. But the time I get dark though. But the video must go on. Alright, guys, at night now. What time now? Let me see. 6:21 now. Right? And remember the time they make the ginger. And remember the time we put it on. What time? I think at 4:35 we put it on, I think. But you know, say it pot down start boil up. Oh, okay, that's some big piece nice, see me. The pot down start boil up same time, you see me. So call it 5 o'clock. You know, say start boil then. So after I'm throwing sugar night and now, make sugar boil go down now. So time I'm throwing sugar, guys. I get my mommy now. Put my throwing sugar with her because she can't say right that you know, because me really like catch the job thing 100%, you see me, because I know I put too little sugar and then water to out and then throw sugar in it and then the sugar end up dissolve, right? You can see the eye on top of the water, you see it? Yeah, so I think about 2 pounds sugar must be alright with this. And I think I want 2 pound parcel here. Yeah, so this one 2 pound parcel. This is 2 pound. This is a pound. Boy, lady, 2 pound alright, not true. Same I do. I pull this throat some and then I taste the water. Taste and see. That's what I do. So this is how I go on, people. See sugar bag here, the first one pull. It's a little one. So about quarter pound. Yeah. So when to boil up now, so boil it back. I taste it and see what I go on. It's only about me pick it up a I see what I go on there. See there? And night now. So I catch up with it now. Fan up the coal stove, fan up the coal fire. Fan it up. Let me throw some more coal on it. So I'm going now, guys. And night now. And then start boil up. I'm going to drive up some fire. You eat, man. Some stick me catch up now. Night. So time to cut a banana leaf. See, apple on tree. The apple. See what's up in there too, so I cut 2 of these, 2 banana leaf. Yeah, man, drive for them people, see? Yeah? Yeah, man. Good day now. So you don't know, no time this drive, quick and fast. Because you know, what time I know? 7:24. By 8:30 more and done. And while I wash off the side. Alright, guys. So we're gonna know. So you don't know, so I tell you now. Soon time to drop it out upon the banana leaf. The banana leaf done cut already and cool already over the fire. You don't know, so you drop this, you do it fast. Kinda want to get cold on you. So and drop it fast when it's hot. You see me? So when it's cold, you have to drop out already. Yeah, man. So you don't say when the sugar don't caramelize within minutes, or seconds when I take it up at the fire, it get cold, you see me? So I'm just gonna stir it up, stir it so it no stick and burn. So see over here so? Yeah. So when it's finished now, I'm gonna drop it out, I'm show you how I go on. Alright guys, so see what I go on here. Lighting kinda poor. Cause the phone battery dead. So the flash can come on. So I can't see them properly. They look black. They look black. Alright people, if you didn't try to get that means to make it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching, thanks for the support. Continue showing supporting. Yeah, continue showing support. But continue showing supporting. What may I say? Anyways, continue showing support. Give video a like. Give video a comment. Share thing help me grow. Me say we are burn up YouTube. We are overload YouTube. You see me? Be a video. Vlogs back to back to back. Help me grow. Help me get my subscribers up. So I say, any other person in your household that live in the yard, just subscribe to the channel. Tell them say, subscribe or take them phone and just subscribe. You see me? Tell it for me. Yeah. So today was a successful video. At some point, it go so smooth, but the sugar man, the sugar not caramelize. Normally when you make chops, when you go down, when soon time to chop it out, right on coconut leaf, you can see the sugar caramelize, start to brown and a bubble up, like the froth up like. This now, never that behave like that. And like I say, I'm put enough sugar. A 3 pound of sugar and put in it. And it not caramelize, so the water dry out and it not caramelize enough. You see me? So some of them get put chop out, right? I'm taste it, you have enough sugar in it. Any more sugar that you go in it, you couldn't eat. Okay, already sweet. Because I already eat some. Some of the, some when I just get farm out the round thing, the round yeah. It's sweet. And I have to drink water, so it's sweet enough. You couldn't sweet no more. Any sweeter, you couldn't eat. So I don't know one day maybe I did burn sugar. Now caramelize enough. So what I do with it now caramelize, be like caramelize. You see me? So maybe next time I make it, I try use a different brand. You see me? So apart from that, everything alright. Taste alright and thing nice. Because now caramelize. That the part that stress me out. One time I say yo, but I add some more sugar. And mother said no. So look at me for like, I mean, if you add more sugar, would make no sense and not too sweet. You see me? So you don't know say you be water no, just water. Okay, I can't get them sweet here. And after you done this now, I forgot about some bitters. You see me? Clean my body because them sweet they not good. Yeah man, so definitely I got buy some bitters or some suracity. You see me? Yeah. So I definitely get some suracy. I'm a some tea. Even if you like the sort of thing though, it's too bitter, but I forgot to do it because this thing too sweet, bro. Anyways, thanks for watching the same way. Tomorrow again, shoot video again, put up and all that. I mean say, we are burn up YouTube, we are over at YouTube, be with the vlogs back to back. So catch you know, next video. Tomorrow, a different video man, banger. Some out of the box, mind blowing, so look out.